Friends, Renning Kim Minu. So we're going to talk about the best gain deals over at the Dollar General this week. Obviously, on the 27th, which is the Saturday, when these two stack, extra savings. If you want to go do these deals before Saturday, it's going to be an extra $5. If you look at the 5 off of 30, the expiry date for that is the 11th. So this is only valid for 2 weeks. So I'm wondering on the 12th if we'll get another 5 off of 20. Wouldn't that be nice? Couple rules for you. Obviously, again, Saturday, November the 27th, you have the biggest savings where the stack of $10 off the 30, the 2 5s stack, you get a huge savings right there. Use the Dollar General app to ensure that your digital coupons along with the 5 off of 30 are attaching. You really got to pay attention too, so bring an old-fashioned pad of paper and pen, write down everything to make sure that the numbers are adding up. Any issues you have at checkout, please void the transaction, and these are Michigan prices, or like prices through the app through Michigan, in case you're living in a different part of the United States, maybe more, maybe less. And just to show you, the stack does work. This was my basket last Saturday, and I got it down to $6.90. How nice is that? Now, if the stack does not work in your region, because some it doesn't, if you might have this paper one that you find at the bottom of your receipt, obviously this one is for the 20th, so you'd need one for the 27th. Sorry, I lost my receipt. I couldn't get a picture of it. This will work in lieu of the digital 5 off of 25, and you stack the two, and it works. It's a lot of magic. Okay, so the first two deals that we have are 100% digital. All the deals are digital today. So we're going to need our two best friends, which is the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have both of these guys loaded. Okay, so in this basket, we're grabbing two of those Swiffer mop things for $5 each, the Gain Fling for $13.50, and then the bottle of detergent for $6.95. And look at this store. They have all of their Gain in jail, that little bar. So this guy is $6.95. And I'm going to show you the digital that we need loaded. It is this guy, which is the $2 off. And you know how I'm saying, like, it's got a stack. So this is what we're looking for, the digital and then that 5 off of 30 to attach. And if you see both of these, you know you're in business. Okay, and then we're going to get this other jailbird, which is the $13.50 Gain Flings. So yeah, they haven't changed the price on this yet. Very nice to see. And then we have a very generous $3 coupon. So I have this guy loaded for this little dealio. And then we're going to need two of these Swiffer with the Gain logo. They're $5 each. Used to be $4.50, so they've jumped up 50 cents for this specific product. And then the digital, I think this digital showed up last week. And this guy is a 2 off of 2, so please make sure you have this loaded, and it is attaching with the Gain Wet Swiffer pads. And those pads are not only for the Swiffer, like if you want to just do a quick job of washing your walls or, a little oopsie here and there, it has the liquid detergent in it, and they're very, very handy to use, especially for cleaning walls. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this one Gain detergent for $6.95, one Gain Fling 51 count for $13.50, and then two Swiffer wet packs with the Gain scent. They're 5 each, that's 10. So your grand total here is $30.45. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. Then when the cashier presses the final pay button, 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with the $7 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. So you're left with paying $13.45 for the 5 products, shaking it out to $3.35 per product, which is not a bad price point. So this is just a little variation on this. So hopefully, this might be something that you have all the digitals and you can do if this is a deal you want to do. The next deal that we have is with some Febreze if you might have the coupons. Okay, so another digital deal pour vous. We're going to need our two best friends loaded that include the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. And 5 off of 30 is of a one-time use as well. So if you don't want to do it this week, hang on to it for next week. Okay, so we're going to grab two of these Febreze Air Effects with the Gain scent. If you look at the bottom, see how it's like the little moonlight whatever. So this one original, and there's another one, I think Hawaiian. They all attach with the digitals and the 5 off of 30. And then we're grabbing one of these fabric sprays, for your couch and all that good stuff. We're going to have this $1 digital loaded along with the 3 off of 2. Those expire on the Saturday, and also these were loadable a couple of weeks back. So if you didn't load them, or if you use them, you can't use them twice because it's a digital coupon. Now to get the basket right to that $30 price point, we're also going to grab one of these Gain Flings. And just to note, it's this fling only. The detergent is not part of this deal this week. We're also grabbing this liquid detergent for $6.95 in the Aloha scent. And then these are the digital coupons that you need loaded for the two products, the $2 for the detergent and then the $3 for the flings. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this, 2 of the Febreze Air Effects with the Gain scent, those cans for $3 a pop is 6. 1 Febreze with Gain, the fabric spray is $3.55. 1 Gain Fling 51 count is $13.50, and then 1 Gain detergent is $6.95. If you add all of that up, it's $30 on the nose. That is crazy. So as the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 will come off, along with $9 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $11 for the 5 products, shaking it out to $2.20 per product. Now, again, those Febreze coupons, it's kind of like a wild card if you might have them or if you don't. Obviously, this deal is a lot less out of pocket than the first one, but I think most of you probably used your Febreze coupons. Now, with the new month starting on the 28th for the new P&G, even if none of these deals excite you, load the Gain coupons because on the 28th we'll be getting new digital coupons probably for Febreze and maybe a couple for Gain. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, so Dollar General is doing things a little different. They have a Black Friday one-day sale, which is going to be on Thanksgiving Day. So it's just this one page, and I thought we could just look through it really quickly. If you look in the app for your flyer or on the website for the flyer, it's all there if you want to look at it a little bit more thoroughly. But everything on this page is for the 25th only, which is tomorrow. They have BOGO 75% off for toys. This also interests me, a $10 off this little mini fridge, so for $25. Wouldn't that be nice if that was part of a Saturday thing? But nope. We have a deep tissue massager, so it's $30, so it'll be down to $15. Not bad, some of these little savings on some of these bibs and bobs, but the thing is you have to go shopping on Thanksgiving Day, and I think a lot of people probably won't. We have a soundbar for $15. Not bad. But what's the quality of it too? We have a BOGO free on the As Seen on TV. Toastmaster products for $15. The chunky soup 8 for $8. Those soups are usually like $1.75 for one, so that is a really good deal. And the BOGO free on the McCafe, excellent. And then we have 3 for $9 for the A&W Canada Dry and Dr. Pepper. Hey, if you just wanted to run to the store really quick, first thing, and then grab a couple things, before Thanksgiving dinner, hey, maybe that's a way to do it. And then the Airwick is $10. We have a $5 digital that's probably only valid on Thanksgiving Day. So that is kind of interesting here because I'm going to show you a deal. If you go over to your IBOTTA account for that exact starter kit, there's $3 back, and Dollar General is one of the stores. So grabbing one of those starter kits for $10, and again, this deal is on Thanksgiving Day only, just to note that. $10, subtracting that $5 digital, you're going to pay $5 out of pocket, make a $3 submission to IBOTTA, making it $2 on the nose. So if you've ever wanted to have one of those little kits for $2, like from 10 to 2, it's 80% savings. I don't think it's the worst thing. And, maybe a little hostess gift if you're going somewhere for Thanksgiving. And the last thing, these little family pajamas, they're 10, and now they're going to be down to 5 on Thanksgiving Day only. So it's just little things to lure you into the store. Maybe make a list and just run into the store and run out really quickly. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.